So next is payment and invoicing. How to set up products, prices, and payment links into your Shopify Zap account. So first, we will go to payments, then products, and click add product. After that, enter the product name, price, and description. And once created, generate a payment link that you send directly to clients and collect payment instantly. So proceed to payments, then product, then create our product, get the product, shampoo, so description, and status. So example na siya, no? So, enter price. Enter higher by the little price to display markdown price option. Then, pwede na to siya i-save. So, muna itong description sa itong product. Created, internal product ID. So, pwede pa mo siya baguhon, no? Then, once na ko na, pwede mo siya i-sync or save. So, dara na itong product. So, next is mag-generate na tag payment links. Direct. Create link yung ta. Sample na siya. Para de. Pay. So dili, no? Pwede po ka mag-ano, mag-collect sa customer address once mag-pay. Or pwede po ka mag-ano, coupon code. And after that is pwede mo siya i-save. Then, dili po ka magbatog new i-redeem po din mo. So, na-save dito siya, no? So, dara, nakabuhat na ta payment link. So, mo rin yung gina-require na pangayoon. First name, last name, email, then mo na niyang total price atong product, shampoo, $2. Then, mag-pay na sila. Pwede naman sending link sa imong mga customer or client. So yung katulong siya pagbuhat sa payment link, no? And sa pag-add sa products, diri lang, products, then create products. Kung saan lang to imong gusto nga products. Uh,